The world has seen its fair share of rivalries in the course of its history. Two parties who go head to head to see which one is better. DC versus Marvel, LA Lakers versus Boston Celtics, Messi versus Ronaldo, the list goes on. Heck, even food is getting involved with Team Pineapple Pizza and Team No Pineapples. But as we move on to the digital age, we are seeing new rivalries form in front of our very eyes with a competition between Ripple versus Swift. And this time, there is a clear winner with how the other party has been making its moves for the past couple of weeks. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another video from Crypto Cash Out. Remember that whatever we say and show in the video is not financial advice, so always remember to do your own research so for you to gather even more info and be knowledgeable of what we are saying today. Without further ado, grab your snacks and drink and let's head on to the video. But first, a little history about our subjects at hand. Let us start with Ripple. The story of Ripple started over 15 years ago in 2005 when a man named Ryan Fugger launched RipplePay.com with the goal of providing a fast and secure financial transaction all across the globe at low cost when transactions like Swift, which we will get to know more about later in the video. The company also allowed individuals to extend their credits to people close to them such as friends and family. Furthermore, it was ahead of its time as it was designed to allow users to pay and transact online. Fast forward to 2011 when Ryan was approached by Jared McCaleb and Chris Larson let RipplePay be under the powers of Ripple Labs and create a protocol wherein the transactions done in here were verified by community consensus rather than miners. This new system led to the integration of a new cryptocurrency called Ripple. Ripple or XRP, if you don't want to confuse yourself with the company behind it, is a unique cryptocurrency because it cannot be mined and is only used for exchanges rather than storage. It is built surrounding its utility as a payment token rather than to store value into it. Convenience is one of the things XRP got going for it because it does not require a central intermediary when sending to another person an exchange of money, allowing for quick transactions. How fast are we talking about here? Well, thanks to the native digital asset of the XRP ledger, which is an open source decentralized blockchain, transactions are done as quickly as 3 seconds. Because of the speed and efficiency of the exchange done with XRP and the XRP ledger, they are used to power the innovative technology across the payment department. And for all you eco-friendly people out there, we have good news for you. The XRP ledger allows the transactions of XRP in an instant without the hassle and energy cost when doing proof of work or mining. Moving on to Swift. It was officially founded in Belgium, a society for worldwide interbank financial telecommunication, which is a mouthful so we'll stick it to Swift. It is a cooperative society that executes safe and secure financial transactions of all the banks worldwide since its founding in 1973, which is a long time ago. Since then, it is supported by over 200 banks in 15 different countries and is linked to more than 11,000 institutions. Before Swift, there was Telex. Unfortunately, because of the speed of transactions being done in Telex, Swift was able to outperform it in the payment department. Ironically, that issue of speed will once again be in play when it comes to Ripple beating out Swift, but more on that later. Swift makes use of a standard proprietary communications platform in order to facilitate the transmission of information about financial transactions. In order to make transactions in Swift, it assigns each participating organization with a Swift code that is unique to each of them that is 8 to 11 characters long. This code is unique to each bank because of the names given to them. The first couple of characters is the initial or the code of the bank. Next, it is followed by the country code that is given to a nation state. Then, the next 2 digits are the location and status of the bank. The characters of the code are the branch code. If you're referring to the main branch of the bank, there is no branch code or just put XXX to end. An example of this is the JP Morgan Chase Bank of the United States, which is given the Swift code of CHASUS33XXX or CHASUS33 for the main branch. CHAS is the bank code, US is the country code, and 33 is the location and status. This system of codes was accepted worldwide, which made them a big name in the money transfer department. But with all of the old success of Swift, why are people considering the transfer to Ripple? I mean, it's been active since 1973. Surely, it's now too big to fail. Well, it's more like a cryptocurrency success that might lead to Ripple beating Swift rather than Swift messing up and losing all of their gains. The cryptocurrency market has seen its share of successes, especially in the last couple of years. 2021 in particular has seen the rise of different cryptocurrencies that are taking the market by storm. There are even reports that see the whole crypto market to exceed volumes of $24 trillion by the year 2027. Because of this success that cryptocurrency has seen, banks are always looking for an opportunity to jump in the hype. There are more and more banks that are doing their best and trying their hand at this cryptocurrency trend. This is now good news for the guys at Ripple Labs because their transfer mechanism is already built around the blockchain and digital currency. This gives them the upper hand when it comes to transferring, especially when banks do decide to make their own crypto and adapt to the trend. For the traditional money transfer companies such as Swift, they would want to make changes in the system if they really want to stay in the race. Fortunately for Swift, if they do manage to find a solution to this inevitable change, they are going to stay in the market because of how big they already are. Coupled with the partnerships that they have done in almost 50 years of service, Swift still might have a chance. But again, they still must find a solution to adapt, and they must find it soon as change is already happening. To add insult to injury, we are going back to the transfer speed of Swift and Ripple is just night and day. Whereas Swift takes 1 to 4 days to complete a transaction, Ripple takes only a couple of seconds, 5 at the max. Even though Swift is developing their system to make it 30 minutes, there is still a huge gap in the time it takes to complete the transaction. This means that while you are waiting for your Swift transaction to come through, Ripple is already doing another one, maybe even more. To put facts here, it is reported that Ripple is capable of making 1,500 transactions a second. Not only that, but Ripple also takes almost zero fees when making a transaction, while Swift is taking a lot of bulk fees to go along with their transaction. This chain of successes of blockchain and system of Ripple has seen the ecosystem of Swift to dwindle slowly in the decline. However, Swift seems to be calm in the situation as they are still updating their system, introducing the Global Payments Innovation or the GPI. The GPI is Swift's answer to the growing success of cryptocurrency. It includes a payment tracker that is based on their cloud, a membership directory, and service level agreement. Swift is confident in the abilities of the GPI to track payments real-time because of the cloud, whereas Ripple is doing it real-time because it relies on decentralized processing on their ledgers. Over 100 institutions worldwide are already making use of the GPI. Now, let's go back and talk about the XRP, Ripple's main selling point. At the time of writing this video, XRP is valued at around $0.6, which is 14% decrease since the last 24 hours. It has a market cap of over $28 trillion and a 24-hour trading volume of almost $4 billion. It is a bit alarming though that the current run of XRP is bearish for the last couple of days. However, a few years ago, they hit numbers that exceeded $3, which means people know that they are capable of hitting the big numbers. It is even predicted on the website Trading Beast that the price will have a minimum price of $0.7 and a maximum price that exceeds $1. However, they don't see it reaching its all-time high anytime soon. For that, we will have to wait until 2026 according to the website price predictions. So, is Ripple really beating Swift in the money transfer market? Well, for now, we really cannot say so. But with the continuing success of cryptocurrency, it is surely headed that direction. For sure, Swift has the massive advantage on Ripple when it comes to partnership because of how long they have been in the market. But unless they adapt to the wave of cryptocurrency, Ripple may take the crown soon. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you learned something new today. Hit like on the video if you did enjoy and subscribe to our channel to be updated when we upload next. It really helps us out to make more videos like this. Also, comment down below if you think Ripple is the superior money transfer service so that we'll talk about that and a chance at a shoutout. If you want a video talking about VVS Finance, we have a video talking about that. Again, thanks for watching this video. Until next time, have fun cashing out!